Hello everyone, my name is Lin Jiarui,
And I am Yue Xuan.
and today we'll be showing you how to prepare marinated chicken.
So here we have our chicken drumsticks, chicken thighs that are already deboned, and here are some chicken breast. The seasonings we'll use today is salt, paprika, ground pepper, onion powder, and some oil. So now I've rubbed in the salt. Make sure to actually get it under the skin of the chicken because it makes the chicken taste better. And now I'm going to add the seasonings. First paprika. More. So now I've rubbed in the paprika. I'm going to add the onion powder and the garlic and onion powder and the black pepper.
Amount of spices that you add is completely up to your preference. You do not really have to follow us in this video. And once you've added the spices, it's preferable to marinate it for over 6 to 8 hours. So in our case, we decided to marinate it for 8 hours so that the flavors will be more enhanced.
So now the chicken has been marinated for 6 to 8 hours. You can do it for 6 to 8, but we'll do it for 8. And I'll start frying it. You want to heat up your pan, get it nice and hot because we need a good sear on it. Now that the pan is hot enough, I'm going to add some oil. We're adding quite a lot of oil because this is for quite a lot of chicken. We'll now cook the chicken breast first. Take the chicken, always lay it away so the oil doesn't splash on you. Try not to overcrowd the pan as you want a good sear of this chicken. Control the heat accordingly. So now I seared it a bit, we're gonna flip it over. I'm gonna get a good sear like this. Now we will flip it again. This is not like beef, you have to cook it through or else you will get salmonella. So now we will flip it again. You're getting the real color in now. It's getting nice and the real crispy as well. Now I'm gonna flip it again. This is the last time we flip. Since this chicken, this part, is a little bit thicker, I need to cook it longer, or else it will be raw. So now these two pieces are ready. But this part needs to cook a little bit longer. Since this part is a bit thicker, I'm gonna sear it from the side. Try to sear all sides of it. Okay, and it's ready. All the chickens are done. We're gonna rest it for around 5 to 10 minutes. So now that this chicken has been rested for 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna flambe it. This is to heat up the chicken a bit more and cook it for the last bit. If you don't have it, it's fine, it's perfectly fine. This is just for show also. So now I'm going to be frying up the chicken thigh. For the chicken thighs, on the skin side down, and I just now lay it away. Since I have 2 chicken breasts left over, I'll also be frying them. I'm going to cook the chicken breast with a good sear. I'm really overcrowding the pan here, so please do not do it. We don't want to overcrowd the pan as the heat distribution will not be as good. Try to make the chicken thighs get a good sear. You can tell it's a good sear, there's good bubbles on it, with the crispy parts. So now I'm going to flip the chicken breast. I realized that over here it wasn't really getting good sear because it's curd. So I have to press it down now. Just press it down like this. Same for this side also. It wasn't really getting good sear. I have to press it down, hold it down also, and make sure you get good sear. Now I'm going to flip the chicken again.
Maybe just combine it.
You can tell after pressing it, it's gotten a good sear. This chicken time now. So now I'll flip this chicken over because this part is cooked. So what I know what to do now is just make this part sear. Make the skin sear. So now this part is nice and crispy. And you see the little sear is jumping around. Okay, maybe. I'm going to take it out and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes or so. So now the drumsticks, I'm going to sear it, lay it away. Normally you're going to want to use the oven or anything else to make drumsticks, but today I'll be searing them because I do not have a air fryer set in. The issue with searing drumsticks is right, a lot of times when you sear the meat, you can never touch the side here. So that's why people like to use ovens or air fryers. I'm going to do the same thing with the chicken breast and chicken thighs and just move it away. You can tell the skin has gotten a good sear and just keep it. Now chicken drumstick, you want to let it go for a little bit longer because of the unevenness. That's the oyster splatter, you want to really be careful of it. It happens when there is water, so you really want to tight dry your chicken sometimes. Before filming, I really tight dry my chicken and I didn't film that part. I use a paper towel and tight dry it. The chicken. Like this. Flip every piece over like this. So now I'm going to put it in the oven. Put it in like this. If it doesn't fit, you can transfer it out, but I think mine fits just nice. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it at 220 degrees for, depends on when it's done. Now I've put the chicken like this. I've taken it out. I'm going to flambe it again. It's to reheat it because it's been in the oven quite long. I want to crisp up the bit of the skin.